2000 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is for sale. So if you're interested in it, I hope you keep it on the track tonight. Shackleford. Some of the names on the side of this. In the rain comes down.